The Earth's crust. The Earth's crust is the solid outer shell of the Earth. It includes continental crust about 40 kilometers thick and oceanic crust about 6 kilometers thick. The crust in the topmost layer of the mantle form the lithosphere. The lithosphere consists of semi-rigid plates that move relative to each other on the underlying asthenosphere, a partly molten layer of the mantle. This process is known as plate tectonics and helps explain continental drift. Where two plates move apart, there are rifts in the crust. In mid-ocean, this movement results in seafloor spreading and the formation of ocean ridges on continents. Crustal spreading can form rift valleys. When plates move towards each other, one may be subducted beneath, forced under the other. In mid-ocean, this causes ocean trenches, seismic activity, and arcs of volcanic islands. Where oceanic crust is subducted beneath continental crust or where continents collide, land may be uplifted and mountains formed. Plates may also slide past each other along the San Andreas Fault, for example. Crustal movement on continents may result in earthquake, while movement under the seabed can lead to tidal waves. Elements in the Earth's crust. Other elements 2%, potassium 2.6%, calcium 3.6%, aluminum 8%, oxygen 46%, silicon 28%, iron 5%, sodium 2.8%, magnesium 2%. Features of plate movements. Ridge where magma is rising to form new oceanic crust. Region of sea floor spreading. Rift formed where two plates are moving apart. Magma, molten rock, erupts at rift. Magma rises to form a hot spot. Volcano develops over hot spot and builds up to form an island. Volcanic island that originally formed over hot spot. Oceanic crust melts. Magma rises to form a volcano. Asthenosphere, upper part of mantle. Lithosphere, crust and topmost layer of mantle. Mountain range uplifted where subducting oceanic crust compresses and deforms edge of continental crust. Boundary along which two plates slide past each other. Subduction zone. Ocean trench formed where oceanic crust is forced under continental crust. Major plates of the Earth's crust. North American plate, plate sliding past each other. Cocos plate, Caribbean plate, Nazca plate, South American plate, plates moving apart, African plate, Indo-Australian plate, plates converging, Philippine plate, Pacific plate, Eurasian plate, Hellenic plate. Movement of land along oceanic ridges. Land moves apart at a constant rate perpendicular to ridge. Straight oceanic ridge. Curved oceanic ridge. Land moves apart at a constant rate perpendicular to curve. Stresses resolve into sections. Staggered parallel ridge sections take shape of curve. Transform fault.